No, it's just like. Oh. Clean up on aisle 12. Anybody? Are you alright? No, you mopped it up enough with your back. Oh, disgusting. Where's the Band-Aid? Nora, where's that bandit?
Wait for the button and doesn't tell me stuff. When there's a free moment, and my parents know that I came by home about a job and
Nora? Are you all right?
You are in over your head, mister.
I'm so sorry. I will call. I think my wife is out of town. No, he's washing the car first. Hello.
Hi, how's it going?
No, everything's fine. I'm just, yeah. How are you?
Oh, it's kind of weird having all this food.
Fine. I can handle it. Oh, no. You're like this.
Let me tell you something, Marvin. White,
14, give or take.
and these steel balls are going to be slapping you in the face the entire time. Okay? That's a lot of days. I promise I'll get a couple of key games.
All right, but I have a plan. You just take it one day at a time. Then if you start to get overwhelmed with kids stage of 2, you call me up on home and trip. Thanks for doing this. Give me someone.
Oh, hey, you know what? They're doing homework right now, and it's that math trigger guard thing that you guys aren't very good at. And they're helping each other, and it's like a little mini think tank thing. Okay, will do. Bye. 2 weeks will go by in no time, guys. Let's see.
Yeah? What's up?
Alright, Daddy, I'm done. There's no way you can girl's booty fresh out the shower. Well, Jeffy, you're stupid. Alright,
Up to now, I've been like mellow about this whole having it all outside with you and Mama trying to get into. A, because Dad has this rock freely covered. And B, because I've benefited from your salary spike in various ways, but nonetheless. Dad, this afternoon, Nigel was howling from the roof. Nigel was using Tim as a human dartboard, and you employed your son as a vomit bomb. Tom's crazy talk, but things are getting pretty twisted around here. As in a baby boy? Okay, that is so not happening. Dad, just call Mom and tell her when you're back home.
I just can't do that right now. That's how the coach has done it. It's just not an option right now.